Hello and welcome back. Today we have a special tutorial for you. We'll be learning how to use Air Ombre with SNS Healthy UV Gel. This process can be used on natural nails, dip powder, and acrylic. For dip powder and acrylic, imagine the base of the nail already created. Link to all of our products will be used in the description below. Let's start off by tumbling our Air Ombre bottle. Press down on the pump fully. We're looking for a steady stream of color to come out. Push back the cuticles, then shape and buff the nail. Turn on your UV light and set the timer for 30 seconds. Remember, you can use a UV and a UV LED light. We're going to apply our long-lasting SNS Healthy One-Step Gel. Avoiding the cuticle line, apply the gel starting at the base, moving forward to the free edge of the nail. Make sure it's an even coat. Cure the nail for 30 seconds under the UV or UV LED light. Now that it's dry, apply a second layer. Now we're ready for our Air Ombre. Spray from left to right and right to left. Cure under the UV light for 30 seconds. Once that's complete, apply one layer of GelStar Ultra Shine Top. Always make sure to avoid the cuticle line. Cure under the UV light for 60 seconds. When completely dry, we will finish by applying our SNS Vitamin Oil. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We upload several tutorials a week. Hit the bell notification icon to not miss out on any of our latest videos. See you soon.